how to create WooCommerce coupons and send to customers on Outlook from MS Excel automatically. So this video is very useful for all the WooCommerce users, because here I am going to teach you that whenever a new customer or a new user is added into the MS Excel, how you can automatically generate a coupon code inside WooCommerce, and then how you can automatically send the very same coupon to that customer either on Outlook or on Gmail automatically. So if you also want to automate the process of coupon creation and coupon sending, come with me and I will show you the whole process of this automation step by step. So I'm going to constantly update the data of new WooCommerce user, and after that I want that a coupon code for that new user should be created automatically inside WooCommerce, and it should also get sent automatically on his Outlook email or maybe on the Gmail email. And for that I'll have to build a connection. I'll have to integrate Excel, WooCommerce and Outlook, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Okay, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I have clicked on sign in. Then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now, this particular product, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching out to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to provide the name as automate the process of creating and sending coupons from MS Excel. Okay, and I think I have provided a good name. Let me also correct this particular R. Okay, now click on create and you will find two boxes. These are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, and according to our use case, whenever any new customer details are added inside MS Excel application, automatically generate a coupon code inside WooCommerce application, and then automatically send that coupon code to that new customer automatically via Gmail application or maybe via Microsoft Outlook application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the application in which you are building an automation. Okay, and in this case I'm building an automation in between Microsoft Excel, WooCommerce and in between Outlook. Okay, so I'm going to search, I'm going to connect these applications with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to do the setup of WooCommerce and Outlook later. Firstly, I'm going to build a connection in between Microsoft and Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new row is added in worksheet, the data should be captured via Pabbly Connect, and then I'm going to send the same data to different application or to WooCommerce application. Alright, so simply click on connect, then click on add a new connection, click on connect with Microsoft Excel, provide the access of your Microsoft account, basically of your OneDrive account, basically of your Microsoft 365 account. Alright, so I have provided the access, authorization is successful. Now you will see how the Excel will be connected with Pabbly Connect, and whatever the workbooks I have created inside my Excel account have started visible here, and I am going to choose this new users Excel. Okay, so coming back here and let me search for that new user. Okay, new user. Okay, here you can see I have this workbook and I want that, okay, I just have a single worksheet only, that is data. Okay, so which has got selected automatically. Okay, now as soon as I'll click on this button, can you see that on this button you will see how the most recent data, basically whatever the data, the recent data has been added inside my workbook, will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so currently I just have a single row data only, that is this particular data, and you will see how the response will be received. And here I have that row index, I have that email address, the first name and the last name. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Excel and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, and read the instruction that this trigger will check for the new data in every 8 hours. So what will happen, every time I'm going to add a new data here, it might take sometimes few hours maybe in order to capture that data. So just in case if the data is not being captured in real time, don't worry about that. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect and moving further, now I am going to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and since I want to create a coupon code on the addition of that new data into the Excel, so that is why I have specifically added this particular action event. Now I'm going to connect WooCommerce with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for this it is asking for the consumer key, the consumer secret, and the website URL. Okay, so I'll have to read the instructions. To create or manage keys for a specific WordPress user, go to WooCommerce, then settings, then advanced, then REST API. Okay, I will take you to my WooCommerce dashboard, and here I am going to search for the settings tab. Okay, so this is WooCommerce, this is settings, and as per the instruction I'll look for this advanced and the REST API. Okay, here you can see this is the advanced section, and here I'll have to search for the REST API key, which you can find here only, that is REST API key. Alright, so you just need to click on this button add key, and here by simply providing a random name and the description you can actually create an API key. Okay, so how about I provide the description as connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Here the user has been selected, and in the permission I am going to provide both the things, that is read and write. Click on generate API key, and this is how the key will be generated. Here is the consumer key. Let me copy the same and paste it here, asking for the secret. Okay, so where is the consumer secret? All right, it is given here only, so I have again copied and pasted, and asking for the website URL. So this is how, without the ending slash, I can also provide the website URL. Okay, so from where I'm going to do that, either you can visit the website like this, and then you can copy this particular URL. All right, coming back, let me paste the same and remove this extra slash. Okay, clicking on save, and you will see how WooCommerce will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see it is connected. Now the very first thing it is asking for the coupon code. Okay, so I want that the coupon code should be created automatically for every new user. Okay, and for every new user a new coupon code should be created. Okay, so how I can do that? So I am going to use this particular data in order to generate a coupon, and don't worry, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So how about I generate a coupon code with the name of the person only, and I want that this 10 should be also added after this name. Okay, so demo 10 will be generated as a coupon code for this particular user. Okay, and when the next user will come, what will happen? The name of that new user will be replaced automatically, since I have mapped this data, I have mapped this name, and this 10 will be added automatically in that name, with that name. Okay, and what will be the discount type? So I would like to provide the discount of percent only. Amount will be 200. All right, asking for the description, coupon code for every new user in order to welcome. Okay, I think it is looking absolutely good. Asking for the coupon expiry date. Okay, so let me first copy the format, and here I will be providing any random date. So how about I provide the date as 12/12, and lastly here I will provide the year as the 2023. Okay, individual use, if true, then coupon can only be used individually. Okay, so yes, I want that this coupon should be used by an individual user only. Okay, so I have changed it as the true, and now it will ask you following details. Okay, so currently in front of you I am going to provide only the necessary details which are actually required for creating this particular coupon, I think, which I have already provided. If you're not sure what these details are all about, you can read the instructions one by one and provide the value. Let's say what is going to be the minimum amount in order to use this particular coupon code. Okay, so this is how you can provide all the details. Now I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request in front of you, and you will see how the coupon code will be generated automatically. All right, where is my WooCommerce? Okay, this is my WooCommerce store, and here in into this marketing, I will be able to access the coupons. All right, so I have already opened that particular section. I am now clicking on button save and send test request, and you will see how the coupon code will be generated automatically. Here you can see the response is received already. Okay, let me check. All right, so I'll have to refresh this particular thing once again. And here you can see demo 10, the coupon code has been generated automatically inside my WooCommerce application. The percentage discount is mentioned here and other details are also mentioned here. Even the expiry date is also available here. Okay, now once the coupon code has been generated, I want to send the very same coupon code to my customer. Okay, and I already have the data of my customer. Okay, let me show you. I have the data. I just want to send an email. Now it is completely up to you whether you would like to send the email via Outlook or via Gmail. Okay, currently in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can send the emails via Microsoft Office 365, basically via Outlook. Okay, in the action event, of course, I'll select the send an email, click on connect. Just like I have connected WooCommerce and Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect this Office 365 with Pabbly Connect. Simply click on connect with Microsoft 365 and again it will ask you for the permission. But I have already connected my 365 account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, basically into the first step, which was Microsoft Excel. So I have used the existing connections only. It is asking for the subject. So how about I write the subject line something like new coupon for a new user for welcoming them. Okay, I'm just providing any random subject line. Again, it is completely up to you what you would like to send. Basically, whatever the subject line you want to keep, you can add it here. Okay, asking for the content type, so I'll keep it plain only. Asking for the body of the content. Okay, so here I will write something like hello, and I want that the name of the person should appear automatically. So that is why I need to map this data here. Okay, and again, let me tell you, whatever the details you're going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. How about I again copy this particular text only. Okay, I am composing an email just to show you how you can do how you can create this email, how you can compose them. Okay, and it is completely up to you what kind of email you would like to compose for your user. New coupon for a new user for welcoming them. Here is the coupon code. Okay, and then I will be mapping the code, and I have already received this particular code into my previous step. And okay, all right, I'm sorry for that, and get a 10% discount on that. Okay, I think it is looking good. Thanks. All right, Pabbly team, again let me tell you one more time that whatever the details here I'm writing manually will be same. Okay, and whatever the details I have mapped will replaced automatically. Okay, that is why mapping plays a significant role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Finally, it is asking for the to recipient. Okay, so I am going to map the email address of this particular person which I have received from here. Okay, but I think this email should be of the Outlook only. Okay, so how about I replace this particular Gmail address, and for now, only for now, I'm going to provide the email address manually. Okay, but if you want this automation to work automatically, in that case, remember that you will have to map that particular value. Okay, so how about I firstly show you how this email can be received on the Gmail only. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see how the response will be received. Okay, so response is here. Let me refresh this particular Gmail account, and here you can see new coupon for a new user for welcoming them, and hello demo user, new coupon for a new user for welcoming them. Here's the coupon code demo 10 and get a 10% discount on that. Thanks, Pabbly team. Okay, now I'm going to replace this particular email address, and I'm going to provide the email address of the Outlook. All right, here I will be adding something like outlook.com. Okay, I have provided the Outlook email address. I have clicked on the button save and send test request, and let me now refresh. And here you can see the email has been arrived automatically and already. Okay, new coupon code for a new user. Hello demo user, new coupon for a new user for welcoming them. Here's the coupon code demo 10 and get a 10% discount. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time you are going to add the details of your customer, firstly that details will be captured via Pabbly Connect automatically. Okay, that too in every 8 hours. After that, a coupon code will be generated inside this Woocommerce application, and then the same code will be sent to the very same user whose data you have just added inside your Excel. Okay, so this is how you can entirely automate the process of creating and sending the coupon codes. And for that, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, simply set this automation just once and sit back and relax. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this particular automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, basically which I have created right in front of you, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into the description box. Okay, so basically you just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be also able to access this particular automation, this particular workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.